Welcome back to a farm west of Boring, where today we are going to go east of Munich, Germany, to visit a sawmill manufacturer in the area of Chiemsee, which is east of Munich, between Munich and Salzburg. So we're going to ride the train. As you can see, maybe I've got a new hat. We went to a outdoor fair the other day, and I bought a new hat. It was very sunny, and I needed something to cover up my head from the sun. So I have a new hat. It's going to be my sawmill hat, and so let's go. Let's see what we can find out at this new sawmill manufacturer east of Munich, Germany. And so we're off. We're headed to Bad Endorf, east of Munich, to visit the sawmill factory. And we're on our way to catch the S-Bahn to catch the train.
Das musst du ein bisschen reinkriegen. Weißt du, kannst du nicht immer so geben. Das ist ja. Also es ist zwar pretty so, aber es ist nicht so gut. Das muss man auch so machen. Nein, schon wieder falsch, Digga. Schau mal. Nee, ich habe so gesagt, ja, ich will eine Lösung dafür finden, weil ich finde die Kommunikation zwischen uns ist gut. Das hat sie noch mehr Sorgen gemacht.
Hello, Eric.
Yeah.
Hi. How are you?
Good. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Hi. My name is Slava. You know?
Again?
Slava.
Slava. Okay.
Slava. Okay.
And this is Jonah.
Okay.
And Eric.
And you are coming from?
Oregon. USA.
Oregon, USA.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
perfect. Okay. My car is here, and we're driving now to company.
Okay, good. You're closed. You're closed this afternoon.
We are closed normally. On Friday we have just a half day.
Yeah.
Okay. Afternoon. But special for you.
Yes,
I'm
exactly.
Still here.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah, it's some
Very
people
nice.
also here. It's not a problem. Okay, this is Rimstik. It's our village. We have in this village also a few big companies. This one is for yeah, I know Allianz Arena. Allianz Arena is football stadium.
Okay.
So soccer.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Soccer stadium. And they make this soft walls for studio.
Okay,
For-
yeah.
It's this company.
Wow. Okay, yeah. We were wondering about that. what they were made of. Is it made of? Is it a plastic?
It's
or?
it's like foil. It's I don't know how it's foil.
Oh, okay.
Foil. Yeah. It's like a foil bake like this. It filled with air.
With air.
Yeah, with dried air. And the fourth one is Serra. We are not so big. We just approximately 50 people, but we supply our machines to 80 countries of the world.
Okay.
Sure, we have also some sister companies. Also, we have sister companies in USA.
Okay.
Because since 3 years we are in Wintersteiger concern. It's an Austrian company.
Okay.
It's a big company, and they have also one of part Wintersteiger. They making machines for wood and also saw blades.
Okay.
Okay, the Wintersteiger is in Austria. It's approximately 100 kilometers away from here. And yeah.
So how old is Serra?
Serra is approximately 32 years old.
Okay.
Okay. And this place, we are since 2000. Okay, it's a Serra. It's our office. We have producing halls here, and we are parking here now. Okay. Welcome.
Thank you very much. Very nice wood.
Yeah, it's Siberian larch. It's from Baikal Sea.
Huh.
Because we are making machine for wood, we are use also wood.
Exactly. Yeah.
Exactly. It's for our customer.
Yeah. Really.
Yeah.
That's
He got it
beautiful.
for- Yeah, I have to say this wood is 21 years old.
Really.
Yes, 21 years old without any paint or something like this.
Is it,
Without it's
Nothing.
It's nothing.
Huh.
It's just nature.
Huh.
We are here. Okay, I'm starting here. The company is 30 years old, but on this place we are more than 21 years. Before we have some we produce machine also, but not in this place, in Bad Endorf. And 2000 we started to build these houses, and 2001 we are here.
Okay.
Still here. This hall downstairs, it's for montage, and this one just office.
Okay.
Here I have my girls for preparing our processing. Here is our speaking room, for meetings room, for
Very nice.
it was for 20 years the biggest nut log in Europe.
Okay.
And now we have just a table for speaking. But
Exactly.
for 10 years we think it's, this room is too big, but now it's too small.
Too small. Yeah.
Okay, we have another one on the upstairs. It's our sales office, and he is my boss, Christian Meyer.
Christian
Meet
Meyer.
you.
Eric.
Nice to
Hi,
see you.
Jonah.
Okay, it's my place. It's a lot of work here.
Clean and nice and orderly.
Orderly. Exactly. This is the word. Orderly. Okay,
All right. Here we go.
we are here. Okay, and in this place we are building our machines. Now it's the assembly part of the machine and assembling, and the company goes bigger and bigger and bigger. And these years we make our logistic part for the company, this new hall. And this part goes out, and this one also go out in another.
I see.
Okay, because I need place for end assembling for the machine. And here you can see the smallest machine from us in the biggest machine.
Okay.
And you can see this is the difference. The maximal diameter of the logs for this machine is 90 centimeters.
Okay.
I can say 70 centimeters perfectly, 90 you can cut, but it's a little bit difficult. It's a little bit tricky. This machine can cut up to 160 centimeter long diameter.
160?
Yeah.
Wow.
Okay, and sure, I can make this machine with this kind of operating, or I can use this operating system on this machine. It's all systems compatible. Sure, this machine was built 2017. It is our demonstration machine.
Oh, okay.
And now I have sold this machine to Austrian company. They are producing how it's called. It's special product for jointery. For jointery, it's from old wood.
Okay.
They are cutting very thin boards and gluing together. It's just for optic.
So like, resawing. You take.
Yeah, resign the old. They are buying the old houses in Austria, and they cut in old woods, old cones, for the new products.
Okay,
it's very, very modern now. Okay, this one is this machine is one number bigger. This one. It looks the same, but it's 20 centimeter wider.
Okay.
Okay, this one is our I can say bestseller. We are producing this machine since 2002. It was developed 2002, and 2016 we will stop the producing of this machine.
When?
But the customer 2016.
Okay.
But the customer saying, we like this machine. We need it. Please, still in program. I will buy next year's, and sure we are selling maybe 15-20 machines of this kind in a year.
Wow.
Yeah. It's a hot dip galvanized. All machine. It's a galvanized.
Galvanized and then,
But hot dip galvanized.
It's how much?
Hot deep galvanized.
Coat deep.
Hot. It's very big.
Oh, okay.
It's like this.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then stainless.
It's a stainless because if you cut oak, if you have to cut oak, it goes black at these places.
Right.
And if you have stainless, we call it this.
Stainless.
Stainless. It's still white. It's still white.
Right.
Yeah.
These are all mobile. Then
No. You can see this machine is mobile, and this one is stationary. This one is stationary.
Okay.
The biggest one is also stationary.
exactly.
I can make every machine mobile or stationary. It's not a big problem. We have just to screw it out the axles,
Right.
and we have the stationary supports for every machine. Sure, this frame will be welded with supports together. This one is you can buy the stationary machine, and after 2 years you can say, oh, I will make it portable. It's not a problem.
Okay.
Like easy construction, but you can see what kind of material is behind. It's 6 millimeters, 6 millimeter high. It's high legiered, high. We have too much legierung. I don't know. It's some special stuffs in the steel that's to make it harder. This one is very good quality steel.
Oh, I imagine. Yeah.
And exists just 2 companies or 3 companies in Germany. They can make this profile because this profile is special for Serra. We developed it. It will be laser cutting.
Okay.
And after them it will be benched like this. It's very difficult to make because the machine have 7 meter cutting lengths or 9 meter cutting lengths. If I have 9 cutting meter lengths, I have to make frame or this beam with approximately 11 meter lengths. And this one exactly to benching with this geometry, it's very difficult.
Absolutely.
And you can see it's a Bavarian forest here.
Yeah.
This picture was made from my daughter.
Oh, really?
She was 7 years old. Okay, and here you can the first program. I don't know it's running now or not. Because now the computer thinking that the saw head is below the frame.
Okay.
And in this case, I restart the reference of the saw head, and I can go up to end point. Now it's here, and I can say, okay, it's 24 millimeters. or 1 inch, and I can make it. Are you cutting in inch or in millimeters? Use inch.
In inch.
Both.
Yeah,
in
inch. Yeah.
Okay, I will also switch in here, here, in the language, and I can metric imperial. It's also possible. The smallest computer can make it also. So we have the several components. It's hydraulic, it's running now. Two, we have our chain turners.
Wow.
Okay. The next possibility to turn the locks is our lock clamp turner. I very like this system because it's I can work in very accuracy and exactly to positioning my wood.
Exactly.
Also, what I have our 2 boards for leveling the middle of the log.
Wow.
It's also disintegrated clamps. If the log have a lot of tensioning inside, it looks like this after the cut. Clack.
Right.
And I'm turning this log and is on the base like this. I can use my clamps and pull it down to the frame with 700 kilos per each.
Wow.
Leveling. Also we have the rolls to move the logs to the front side or to the back side, forwards or backwards, because I need the base position of the log on the frame. Also we have our system to outputting
Exactly.
our boards.
Yeah.
Also it's a saw blade tensioning system. Now it's tensioning, it's just now it's tensioning away from the saw blade. It's just one movement for me. And
so
this machine, it's we call it SL. It's for small large, because I can use several sizes of the saw blades.
Okay.
I can remove the right side or the right wheel, driving wheel, up to 30 centimeters to the right side, and make machine bigger. For the bigger cut, for the wider cuts.
And a bigger blade.
Yeah. I'm sure for the bigger blade. Also, we have our log lifter. It's not connected now because of the place, and no, it's just you have also like piano here. So hydraulic, and if I cut it the slabs from the tops, from the top of the wood, I go just down.
Exactly.
With my how it's called in English? Receivers. Receivers.
Right.
Two, I have my squaring arms on the right side, and with my log lifters, doesn't run smoothly. And with my log lifter, I can turn the log on the log for 45 degrees, and the board sliding on the receivers.
Exactly.
After them, I have to put it out, roll tables or something like this to remove it for the another machine, to another machine. Right. To edge or something, multi-rib saw or something like this.
Exactly.
Okay, and this machine have cutting lengths of 9 meter plus 3 or 4 meter extensioning frame. Okay. Now I have 13 meters cutting lengths. Wow. Yeah, the biggest machine which was built this year in this hall, it was machine with 16 meter cutting lengths.
And all at one time?
Now we have two frames. We have two frames because it's for transport. Yeah, right. It's close to impossible to on the German roads.
And so, how do you connect it then once it gets to the site? How does it connect it? Is it bolted or
it's
welded?
It's bolted. Sure, it's bolted. We have two connector systems. This is the fast connectors.
Okay. All right. Okay.
Okay. You can just open it and put it away. And okay, this machine it will be transported separately because I'm with the main machine. I have a weight of 3.5 tons, and I cannot use these axles for the machine. They are heavier than 3.5 tons. In this case, I have to transport it separately. if I use the axles with 6 tons, I can make it hydraulic.
Okay.
It goes like this.
Okay.
Okay, for the light machine, for these portable mills, we are using this system. It's also bolted here. It's a fast adjustment system. Just you have to lose this bolt, and you can put this joint system out. You can put it away. Also.
Wow.
And this machine is also for 3.5 tons. It's approximately the same weight. But I can make more components inside. It's just for squaring arm up and down. You can use the door also. Okay, this machine is prepared for transport. We need 3 containers, and this machine goes to Canada.
Okay.
It's 160. The big one, the company name is Daizen Jointery.
Okay.
You can show it on the internet, Daizen. And you have Großklein. For testing, we're using also private wood. And this is also one of the machine designer. And his wood, he make a table. He make a table.
Okay.
From this wood also.
And what kind of wood is that?
It's oak.
Is it
It's
oak?
European white oak.
Okay.
Yeah, you can try to lift it.
Oh yeah.
It's
Yeah,
impossible.
we have several oak logs about this size that were one of them we've cut up, and we've got 2 more left to cut.
Yeah.
They're heavy.
This log I can cut with 130 machine normally, because 130 I have the widest cut approximately 85 centimeters.
Okay.
Okay. But 130 I can cut if I turn the wood anytime. This one is the smallest machine because now we have some crisis with spare parts. And I don't have now all parts for assembling this machine to the end.
Oh boy.
I think the next week I will get the parts and we can assemble it to the completely, and we can supply the machine to the customer. Now it's I can say it's a little bit different than before. Okay, this one is our saw blade storage. It's just for supplying. I have here maybe 1,000 saw blades, 1,000 saw blades, and we are sold it in 1 week.
1,000 a week?
1,000 a week, approximately, because I have a lot of customers, and I have many customers that are buying for Ukraine in one time 500 saw blades.
Wow.
But not every week. Sure. In this place, now it's completely new. It was built this year. And this is the saw blade. They are coming from our sister company. They produce the saw blade. And I have in every box 5 saw blades when they go into to customer. For example, the big packages here, they go into America.
Okay.
It's the biggest saw blade for big machine, for big mill. You know, it's the whole system in this area behind the assembling part will goes in this.
In here.
In here.
And it's all
in here.
Yeah.
It's not like this. It's a lifting system. The table goes like this, tack, tack. And the next one comes from here to here.
Wow.
It's the price of this system, approximately 180,000 euros. And Jung Heinrich, it's also one part of our company.
Oh, really? Okay.
Not our company, from Wintersteiger. This machine is a pushback system. It goes to Poland. We go to Poland, and you can see here. This part of this machine. It will be collected here, and if you start this project with end assembling, it goes
Okay.
to mounting, and it will be built together. shortest time. Here's the pushback frame.
Yeah.
They push the boards to the back, and this one is just the
keep
board
on-
still
keep on-
keep on the
Very
in flow.
nice.
Okay. Machine to park position.
Uh-huh.
Because it's much easier to start it again in the early. The normal machine you can put it here, or
Okay.
it's not a big deal. But here it's very important to put it to zero.
Exactly. Yeah.
Here we have the several laser systems. I can make my cutting height. I can see the laser line on the log, and also for squaring I use another.
Huh. That's a powerful laser.
Yeah.
I really like this here. What this does is it collects the sawdust in this little bin, and then every once in a while, the whole machine will go, say, like down at the very end, and then they open it up and it dumps so that they have all the sawdust ends up in one pile.
We use also special welding system for that. I need two welders to make this frame because of tensioning. Normally, you can see every core, every component will be goes on this same place. I have like Lego, you know, the system. I put just this shield inside, tied it together. So I have to measure it, the distance from here to here, because we are working very accurate. I have tolerance approximately 0.3, 0.4 millimeters on the all lengths. And after them, it will be welded shortly. If it's welded shortly, ready, the guy started to weld it from both sides at the same time. Because
The heat.
of the heat and the tensioning in the frame.
Wow. Yeah, that's.
And this one is beams for the bigger mill. It will be welded here also. And what's also very impressive is two cranes here. Now you can work separately with it. Or you can say, I will synchronize it. And they go in, synchronize it, they get with one point. It's a saw head carriages. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They go into hot dip galvanizing next week. And the frames also. It's the biggest one in Europe. The biggest one, the length of the tank is 14 meters. The deep is 4.5 meters, and the wide is 3.5 meters.
Wow.
It's all with thing. It's working.
As long as there's steel at the other end.
It works now. Yeah.
Where does this?
Sure, I buy the special steel or the beams for the frames. I have to buy it before. And I buy a lot of them. Okay, this one is our this is turning machines. Or turning.
Lathe or machine?
It's not laser.
Machining?
Yeah, our machinery. Because our main wheels we are producing self.
Oh my! Oh my! Really? You make?
Sure,
You make?
no, but not cost. I buy the cost of the cost wheels.
The cast. The casting?
We're buying
Okay,
it. We are buying it, but we have to turn itself.
Okay.
And this machine was bought just for turning. I think it's closed now. It's closed. I can turn the parts with up to 1 meter diameter.
Wow.
It's just for main wheels.
Okay.
Log lifter for next machine, I hope so. Okay, and here is our stock. Well, normally, if we have, if we think that the rolling is not good enough, it goes out. We don't use it. We don't try to fix it because it's too much money for us. Sure. Okay. And this is the rollings for the frames.
Yeah.
Sure, because it's just special for Serra. I have to buy a lot of them, and we buy it 3 times a year. This frame is coming from deep galvanizing, bake. It's our exhibition machine, will be sold on the end of year. We will sell this machine.
This is a small machine? Is this
It's
your
the middle one.
Middle
The
machine?
middle one. 1.10 m. Okay, on this machine I have frequency converters. I can run the saw blade. We can run the running saw blade with 22 meters per second or 35 meters per second.
Okay.
I can adjust the speed of the saw blade. Also, I have the frequency converter for the lifting system. It's not like this. And this one is a customer machine. He goes. It's just for service here. Wow. And the last part is it's a base of from multi-rib mill.
What is this?
Multi-rib mill. You have the big engine with 90 kilowatt, and you have this circular saw shaft. You can put a lot of this circular saw blades.
Okay. Oh wow.
Just in one time you have a lot of. And the cutting beeps up to 160 millimeters. It's approximately inch 4, 5, 6.5 inch. And this one is the frames coming from galvanizing. This machine goes never rusted.
Never.
Never. It's galvanized.
Thanks for joining us today on our visit to the SERRA sawmill manufacturer here in Bad Endorf, Bavaria. I would have to say that I took on quite a bit bigger deal than I had expected. And here comes the train. Well, we were able to catch that train and we made it all the way back to Munich in time for dinner. I'm back in Oregon right now and we're in the middle of a good rainstorm. So I just wanted to thank you for coming along with us on that journey to the SERRA sawmill factory. We saw quite an array of sawmills there, from the XE 135 or 160 down to the KE90, which was their smaller sawmill. The quality of these machines is unsurpassed in my opinion. German technology and German craftsmanship is the best in the world. So if you're interested in any of these machines, visit the SERRA sawmill website. I'll put a link down below, and talk to one of their representatives. They have a representative here in the United States in Tennessee, and talk to them about that. I think it's a good option or a good alternative to Woodmiser. In fact, I'm not sure if Woodmiser makes as heavy duty or large machine as SERRA, but it's definitely a option. So thanks for coming along, and we'll see you next time. I'd like to give a big thank you to Slava for taking his time on a Friday afternoon when everyone else had gone home to show us around the factory. It was a great experience for us, and I really appreciate it.